was actually November of 2018. I had noticed swelling in my neck. Went to the doctors, no other symptoms, no other issues. They initially diagnosed this as a stuck salivary gland. Got through Christmas, noticed it didn't get any better. Went to the ear, nose, and throat doctor. Initially, they came back and it was inconclusive, but they knew at that time that it was something. They had called and they said, listen, test results came back. We believe that you have cancer. We can't get you into the doctors for 2 weeks. And, you know, minutes seem like a lifetime, let alone 2 weeks of not knowing things. We were at an academy class, you know, and I told a very select few of guys, so not a lot of people knew. Even through treatment, not a lot of people knew. Regardless if, you know, you feel good or whatever, there's always that stigma in law enforcement. You have to be tough, nothing can bother you. And I didn't want anybody to know. One of the first persons I reached out to was Scott Simonisi because of him going through the same battle. And if anyone could relate, I figured it was somebody that I knew that was going through or was, you know, still going through the treatments that I was looking, you know, to get into. So when Scott passed away, it hit us all hard because we knew he was still fighting, but I think it hit me a little harder because of what we went through together. After months of treatment, they found that the cancer was gone, astatic, but still knowing that the type of cancer I had, there's a high risk of reoccurrence. I knew that I wanted to help other officers, other staff members, and it's hard to talk to somebody about it if they've never experienced it. I think the biggest benefit for me now is to create awareness, to let people know that there are people that have gone through the same things that they're going through, same age, in the same type of field, and it's scary, but you're not alone. And the help is out there, even if it's just a talk.